It was on the Martinmas market day when the snow lay on the ground. A farmer, he came up to a lad, and he offered him £10. But mind you nips to plucking out the muck, and 100 other jobs were by. And seeing the guid wife she's laid down, you wanna mind milking the kye, you wanna mind milking the kye. Up spoke the lad, oh he was mad, what was that you said? That you'd mock me, a farmer's boy, until a dairy maid. Oh, your nips I'll pluck and your note I'll mock, and the only other jobs were by. But I'm blessed if I will undertake to milk your bloomin' kye, to milk your bloomin' kye. Oh, hold your tongue, the farmer said, and he mock sick as soon. Here tak the shilling and say nae mair, afore a crude get a zoon. But mind you've nips to plucking out the muck, and 100 other jobs for by. And if the guid wife she gets up, I wanna bid ye milk the kye, I wanna bid ye milk the kye.